Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials: a charged lantern and one spare fuel source. Once done, approach the only way waypoint using the collapsed arch as your landmark. This prevents wasted searching. Move toward the pulsing map icon while staying silent because patrolling enemies will reset the keeper's routine. Make sure to hug cover and scan for secondary torches that mark the path. If you see 2 torches flanking a stair, you are on the right track. Advance slowly and be ready to interact. Once you're in the search zone, focus on environmental cues. Dim flickers mean the keeper passed recently, so follow that trail. Make sure to shift between visual scanning and listening. Metallic clinks and a low humming often cue the keeper's proximity, usually within 15 meters. Use a quarter map zoom to reveal footprints, oil stains, or crushed foliage. These mark direction. Move deliberately, track, pause, then verify. If you lose the trail, backtrack to the last clear marker and rescan. You close to the keeper from cover, keeping your lantern focused so the interaction prompt appears. This secures dialogue or capture. Once engaged, calm behavior prevents alarm. If the keeper flees, pursue the marked route and use 2 quick stuns to halt escape. After capture, secure the area and top off fuel. If things go wrong, no prompt, invisible keeper, or constant resets. Exit 50 meters plus and re-enter after 30 seconds to force a zone reload. Then retry the approach immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.